Rule your own world.
Morning and welcome back to Kicking It.
Welcome guys, we're still freezing our little butts off in Berlin. But we took a day off yesterday. Had some bad news yesterday, a friend of mine passed away. So it was quite a sad day and just didn't feel like vlogging. But we're back today, we're going to show you around again and let you know what we get up to.
But yesterday we did go out and about, although we didn't vlog. We saw some of the sights, didn't we?
I guess so, yeah.
So we started off, we did a little boat tour, went up and down the river.
It was shit, don't go on it.
It was alright, if you like photos and if you're going to film and stuff, it'd be worth it.
I mean, it was okay. It was an hour and it took you up and then it turned around and came back around and you didn't see too much, to be honest.
But like the one section, like with the Parliament buildings, that was pretty cool, wasn't it?
But you can walk around
Yeah,
that.
you can walk it all.
So pros, it was warm inside and it was a really nice looking boat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You'd get a little coffee and sit down. You don't see too much. Oh, we went to this really nice restaurant.
Oh yeah.
I'd forgotten the name of the restaurant, but it was literally the best one we've ever been to. This is what it's called. So go here when you come. What type of food is it?
It was like Asian, it was like an Asian style vegan spot, but honestly the flavours were just so good.
Change your life, mate.
We did a bit of sightseeing. We went to like I think they're parliamentary buildings. This one here, ready? Go! And then we went to the Brandenburg Gate, I think that's how you say it. It was really cool there, take a look at this. And then after that, we just finished the day by doing a bit of shopping. I bought myself some new shoes.
Let's have a look at your new shoes then.
Look at these bad boys.
Who do you think you are, Stormzy?
Shut up!
Stop moving them, I get travel sick.
They look like little weapons.
Yeah, they're lovely.
So today we're in the district of Friedrichshain, and we were trying to find these like really colourful, really cool looking houses, and I couldn't find them anywhere. I searched Google high and low, and then I finally found it. And the place, I'll put it on the screen, it's called We had breakfast this morning in a place called Homemade, but the coffee was shit.
I have bad coffee. I just feel like just getting it, looking at it, and just pouring it over the person's head who made it.
Yeah,
like they have a problem. I'm not horrible. I'm not horrible.
hot in here, isn't it?
Amy problems, but just look at this. Got a nice coffee. Don't know why. I feel like I need to put my gloves on to drink it.
All she said all morning, oh freezing, Craig, oh freezing. She buys an iced coffee.
Yeah, but when we get into hot places like this, it's boiling, and I'm like, if I have a coffee, I'm gonna faint. Oh, that's a nice top you got on there. Is that one you got for your little birthday?
My missus bought it for me, like.
It looks lovely.
Right there.
How's your vegan cake?
Oh mate, honestly, it's so good.
Beautiful thing, yeah.
It's like a little apple crumble cake, but it's just, it looks a bit dry but just have a wander, is it? I think we find a cool like area, we just walk around and have a good time.
I'm gonna say no. So we found ourselves back in, what are they called? Photo Automat.
Bloody brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're gonna have another one. They're only €2, so you might as well just get them all day, every day, and stick them in a little memory book when you get home. Will you hold the camera? It's really heavy. I'm not sure. I think it might be blocked.
Stick it in there, pull that thing down. There you go.
Oh my god, guys, you mean so much to me.
You look like a thumb in the second one.
The thing is, like, it's Christmas and I've just kind of ate everything in sight, so prepare for thumb wars until about mid.
Rule your own world. We are going to we're going there. We're going to the memorial for the murdered Jews.
Is that what it's called?
Yes.
That hits home, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's meant to be pretty powerful. So something you gotta see in Berlin, so we'll go check it out.
But it's not actually a museum, is it? It's just like a big sculpture, yeah?
It's like, I think it's like an art installation to try and make you feel how people would have felt in concentration camps. What do you know about the war?
The war? The war? I mean, how long have you got? You know, that could mean like you could have just offended someone's mum. Like you don't even know what you just said.
Offense. I couldn't be.
Craig, give me 3 facts about Berlin that you know.
It's the original city that exports dental floss all over the world.
Shut up.
They speak 37 languages, including Welsh. And also, you can buy 3 kinds of wild tigers.
Hang on, I feel like you're making this up. One thing's for sure, don't come in the winter because it's really cold.
One tip for Berlin, forget about the Reichstag. Not worth it. I've never been, I'm just joking. We just get in, shall we?
Yeah.
What do you think of this then?
I'm not sure how to feel, to be honest. When you think of it all, when it all happened, like you just can't picture it being real because it was so nuts. Like, how many Jews died? Like 6 million plus. Yeah. How is that even possible? We went to the museum last night and it was telling us about how it all happened and over what period of time, and I'm like, surely somebody should have stepped in a bit sooner. Like, do you know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Absolutely crazy.
I think this is one city that we've been to that just got so much history, like laced through every part of it. It's just, it's hard to get your head around really. And when you come to this, it kind of just like gives you like the chills. It's like, oh, it actually happened.
Yeah.
And not even that long ago either. It's just a bit mental.
So the sign says somewhere around here is Hitler's bunker. What? Doesn't that make you feel a bit weird? Like he's probably walked on the ground you've walked on.
Yeah. The word, like, yeah, it's just creepy, isn't it? Even the word like Führer is just scary, man. It just sounds like the devil.
What do you think of Hitler?
He's just a maniac, isn't he? Absolute maniac, just trying to cleanse people into a certain breed of people just because he's so narcissistic. Madness. I wouldn't subscribe if he had a YouTube channel, put it that way.
That was a very timid description of what you thought of Hitler. I said there'd be actions if I was going to describe him.
Actions?
Yeah, like, you know, slim and like, just like.
So you're not describing him, you're just describing what you do to him?
You said he was a maniac. I think he's a I can't believe he even was allowed on this world out of before.
Oh my god. You're a maniac. Maybe you're the next one.
I just, honestly, it baffles me that he was even allowed to do this. I feel like there should be someone higher than the government. Someone like, that's really, someone like me, like, not just saying it, like I'm not big-headed or anything, but I think I'm quite a fair person. And if some shit's going down and it's not right, I'll be like, excuse me, Mr. Hitler, can you just not? Like, that's not gonna happen. Not on my land, not on my watch.
The problem with the world is it's all about money. So if you want anything, you just pay people.
But that's what I mean. Like, I don't care about money. So I would be the right guy to elect higher than the government.
So you want to basically be in charge of the world?
Yeah, like what I say goes. We'd have a great time. Oh, pink shoes only. Alright, so we're walking through the Mall of Berlin, one of my favourite places to be.
The problem with the snowman though is his arms are way too short. How is he going to go for a peek there?
He can't even feed himself. But we can, where we are. We're going to find some vegan currywurst.
We're in Berlin, we've got to have currywurst. Oh my god, we made it. I think this is the spot. What do you reckon?
Hey, you can't sit inside! I'm pushing my little balls off you. I need somewhere to
shut up and get cultured.
One currywurst and a vegan currywurst. It's got to be done, haven't it? When in Rome.
Exactly, I can't wait. I've never tried this. No, don't know what to expect, but everyone's just like loving currywurst. Apparently the local tater though, is that true? If you're local, comment below. Tomato in, curry
Alright.
and like herby sausagey. Pleasant. I mean, it's what it says on the tin, it's just like curry sausage. I feel like the first guy who made this, like, he was like making a normal sausage. He put it on his plate and then he was like, went to put a bit of sauce on it, it just all came out, and then he spilled a massive pot of curry on it. He was like, oh shit! And then he tasted it, it was like, ooh, currywurst. That was it.
It's really good. I'm absolutely starving right now, I'd eat anything. But yeah, it's not bad. I don't feel like it goes together, but it's fine. I thought there was something a bit more special to it.
did as well, but
Great snack though. I like it.
we can rule the world.
So there's loads of activities that you could be doing right now. For example, you could get a double bed to take you around the city. There's like a bike on the back of it that a guy takes you. Looks really cool, you get a blanket and everything.
Or there's the Liquidrom spa and sauna, and they play underwater music in the pool.
Or you could be going to the Radisson Blu. It's got like the massive sort of marine life dome thing, and you get an elevator up through the middle of it, and there's all like fish and all that around you. Looks really cool. Or there's like abandoned places, or there's this thing called Tropical Island, which is 24-hour like crazy jungle of swimming pools and slides and stuff. But we're not going to do that. We're not going to do any of those things. We've just had our currywurst, and we're just going to go and get some more food.
Perfect, thank you so much. Okay, bye.
What have you done?
So, if you come on a city trip, you'll understand this. You just walk everywhere and like carrying these bags. We're just in pieces. I'm ready for bed. Like, this is the last day, and we've been walking for nearly 5 days straight now. So, we've treated ourselves to the Liquidrom.
The one we were talking about.
So
Kind of like rang a little bell, didn't it?
we're gonna go there for some back massages, and then we're gonna have a little swim and a little sauna.
Happy freaking days.
But we need to buy some bathers now and some towels because we haven't got any.
So Craig got some running shorts, and I got like this little bodysuit with poppers underneath. So if that comes up undone, oh my god. But we're here. This is the Liquidrom. I'm excited. I feel like it's a bit posh for us, but don't worry about it, Craig. You'll be fine. You need your bikini?
Yeah.
I can barely walk in there. My feet hurt so much. Look at the bloody state of this room. Oh, actually, it's not too bad.
Are you kidding me?
I surprised myself. I forgot I kind of cleaned up this morning because I lost my hairbrush, and I was just like, where is it? It smells a little bit though. I've had a lot of food in here.
It smells like arse in here.
No.
So we're back from the Liquidrom, and it was great.
Oh, it was brilliant, wasn't it?
We went a bit nuts and we got a massage as well, so it was a little bit pricey because of that.
But I mean, you get what you pay for, don't you? It's like ultra posh. There's like loungers with like soft blankets on them, and you can get whatever hot teas you want. They do like cakes and cocktails and champagne.
What I was gonna say before you rudely interrupted me was that we went all out and bought massages, but if you just wanted to go for the pool and the sauna and all that, it's not too bad. It's like 20 quid per person and you get 2 hours.
Ridiculous, mate. £20. So you go in and everyone's like naked walking past you, and you're like, oh my god, because we're just not used to it. And then you walk into the, like you go down a few steps into the pool, and it's just like this massive sort of like circus tent in it. It's shaped like a circus tent, and it's dark, and there's really soft music playing. Get one of those noodle things, you know, the little, and then you just put your head back, and then the music, the classical woman singing opera music in your ears. I think we fell asleep a few times, didn't we?
Yeah, it was great. It's so weird, like I've never experienced proper underwater speakers, and once your ears go in there and you're on the noodle, you're just like, oh my god.
On the noodle, boys.
We had a wicked position where Amy was holding my legs, I was holding her legs, and we both had like 2 noodles each, and we were just like, like fast asleep, floating around in this pool. It was so cool.
So good. But you can go in naked, and I think everyone else was naked apart from us, and I didn't feel uncomfortable.
You weren't supposed to go naked, it said on the rules.
You weren't supposed to, but they were.
Yeah.
Because I was like, ugh, like you sort of look across and you're like, is that a nipple? But the massage was really good as well. She went to do it and it went sort of over my knots and I went, ah, and she went, oh my god, do you like my bag? FYI, I got it.
Well, ooh,
in the sales.
like, ridiculous bag.
Absolutely
you can fit a
amazing.
tin of beans in it, that's about it.
Amazing.
So that is us in Berlin. 5 days have gone so fast.
Shooting
Unbelievable. So thanks to the Cas Pajamas Hostel for looking after us and letting us stay. It's in a wicked spot. We're right next to the train station. We're right next to the bus station. You can get anywhere here. It's like super fast.
Kreuzberg.
But yeah, I think I'd love to come back to Berlin, but we were saying, weren't we? We'd love to come back in the summer because even though like it was cool in the winter, it was freezing and it kind of ruins it a bit because you're a bit like, like
you're so tense when you get
up
home as well, yeah. And the pictures, they just look a bit bland. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we didn't get much sun. It was a bit grey. Wicked little city. Definitely come back. I'd love to explore all the little neighbourhoods a bit more next time. Maybe try and get in that club, see what that's about.
You just want to wear fishnet tights and be accepted. It's a bit like London, I think. There's like so much going on that you kind of have to find what you'd like to do. There's loads to do in there.
I feel like you need to know a Berliner to do all the cool stuff here because I kept reading it everywhere. It's like, oh, Berlin's really underground. I was like, what does that mean? Does everyone live in tunnels, or where's all the shit that's going down?
Where's the secret spot, Joe? Because I've been looking and I can find them.
So if you're from Berlin, give us a shout because next time we're coming, we're going to stay with you. So we hope you've had a wicked Christmas because this probably isn't going to come out before Christmas. And I hope you have a wicked New Year too. So the next adventure for us, we're going to go home with our family, spend Christmas back in Wales.
Christmas!
And then we are heading to Tromsø in Norway on the 6th of January.
I can't wait.
So we'll see you there. So if you're brand spanking new and you've just found King in it, thanks for hanging around with us. Hope you've had a wicked time. Please press subscribe.
I'm sure you've had a wicked time, guys, because we've had a wicked time. So if you're not new, guys, and you've stuck with us from the very beginning, or you just found us yesterday and you're like, I'll give them a go, thanks very much. We bloody love you. And always remember to rule your own world.
1, 2, 3, bye.